Hello, after a long break, I'm back to my channel. I hope you all are keeping fine. So today on this video we are going to make how my villagers are fishing in group. So you may enjoy by watching this video. I made this video for the documentary on community fishing of the Zeme Naga tribe. So firstly we should go and collect the bark of the tree for the poison. This is the tree that we use for medicine, poison. The name of the toxins or poison we use in the river is singharum. So we use this poison just to make strong to the fish. We went community fishing for the purpose of Good Friday celebration. So right now we are moving back to our place. The bag that we are carrying is the medicine for fishing. So right now we are coming back from the jungle to our village. Secondly, we should make the bark of the tree into small pieces. We took this powder like 7 bosta. So right now we are on the way to river. The name of the river or the location of the river is Jeri river that we usually call Reiki. The location of the river is in the boundary between Assam and Manipur. So we took like 1.5 hours to reach the river, and right now we reach the river safely by God's grace. So we are able to begin our walk. We have started. We are under processing. We are collecting the stone just to block the water for a minute so that we could able to keep the poison in the river. So right now you may able to see the water is totally dry, so we may able to keep the medicine poison. Here you can see easily if we use this bark of the tree. This is the best medicine, I should say, for fishing, for local fishing. Starting point and ending point of the river, that means the length of the river that we use is like half kilometer. We are around 30 above people were present in the fishing. Place of the collections of the poison material is in jungle, not for market. Shake the water so that fish could easily drown. We have finished fishing. Now we are having dinner. Approximate quantity of the fish that we get in the river is like 50 and above kg. You can see. Got it for Songkai. We have finished fishing, so we are leaving the water. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. If you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and share with your friend. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.